Yo, what up, YouTube? Your boy, Mr. Gannett, checking in, man. It's been a little minute since I checked in on y'all, but as promised, I'm finna have them coming back to back on y'all, back to back, man. Turn on the post notifications, man. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed to the channel. If you're a newcomer, welcome to the lab. Right now we're working on an 8.8 Gbody rear end for the cutty. Right now I'm drilling out the 4 holes for the back in place for the C7 caliber brakes, man. I see a lot of people on Facebook, man, talking about how many bits they went through trying to drill it. Tell people all the time, make a pilot hole, then use a step bit. I don't know, people don't know what a step bit is, or they just not following instructions. They want to try it their way. I mean, trying your way is cool too, but don't be crying about how many bits you went through. Pilot hole already started right there. Oh snap. Pilot hole already started. Focus. A little bit more. That's it. Let me see. See, that's the only thing you gotta watch with that step bit. See how to the back? It's a little small in the back. You gotta watch that with the step bit. God damn it, YouTube. Damn, hold on, YouTube. God damn it. We back, YouTube. Shit, drop the phone, drop the drill. Shout out to CJ504 for the drill, man. Like I said, you gotta watch that step bit. You see back there, focus. You can see back there, it's not all the way drilled, so you gotta go a little bit bigger on the front so you can get that on the back. Focus. See there? Kind of leave a step mark in it, but see, I quite didn't get it all the way to the back, I think that's it. I think I felt it. I think I felt when it cut through. That's it, YouTube. That's all you gotta do, man. What is this? 1/4" bit. Then you go to the step bit. 1 bit will get you, maybe 2. You can buy a pack of 4 1/4" bits from Harbor Freight, about $6. Get you a step bit for about $6. Call it a day. Or if you go to some kind of boat store and you get you a real good bit, probably about a $15 bit, a real good bit, that'll work too. I like to spray a little WD-40 solution on it as I'm drilling, but I don't know the can at. I ain't worrying with it. Keep moving forward. Fade back when we get all 4 holes on YouTube. Alright, YouTube, we faded back, man. Got the pilot holes drilled. Just like that there. Now I'm gonna drill it with the step bit. Fade back when we get it bolted up, man. Pilot hole drilled. Showing y'all how long it take to drill through with a step bit versus eating up all of the bits. Almost, not yet. I think we got it. 20 seconds, man. And all y'all be using all these bits, going through 10, 20 bits. We complain about too hard to drill through. 4 holes, man. Big break king, man. Tip of the day. Alright, YouTube, we faded back, man. Got the bracket on now. Faded back. What else? What else? That's it, YouTube. I fade back probably Probably won't worry about showing y'all doing the other side. Probably show y'all when I slip the axles in, put the clips in, ring cover. I gotta paint it over. I had a little chemical reaction. I gotta paint it over. Long story. I'll share later on. Shucks. But yeah, we working over and out. Alright, you two got the other side done. Now I gotta find the ARP studs and slip the axles in here, man. Shh. Wherever they at, I think they in my little shed. I fade back over and out. What's up, you two? We faded back in the house. Dug out the Moser axles out the washroom. Had to dig them out the washroom. Now we're gonna screw in the Moser axles. I got my little Harbor Freight ratchet here. 13 millimeter, gonna screw them on through right quick. A lot faster than trying to beat them in, man. Fade back when we get them in, over and out. Yeah. All right, YouTube, we faded back, man. Put the stud in, screwing them in with the ratchet. Nice and easy, man. Nice and easy. That's it, YouTube. Got all of them in. Got a little rust on it, man. Quick tip, man. When you get these axles, they already have a little light, very light surface rust on them from Moser. They don't have no grease on them, no oil. If you get some, if you're not planning on using them right away, get your little WD-40, rub on it, or oil, Vaseline, something, man. Because these been boxed away in the washroom. Hot, cold, and they probably sweated a little bit in the box. And they had a little surface rust, like right here. And I'm gonna take my Scotch-Brite and kind of scratch it off. Just won't see it. I mean, once when a little rain hit it, you're probably gonna rust up anyway. But once I get them in the car, but I just a little quick tip on that, man. See, like this little, that's from the factory, man. All for the factory. The only part be polished is this part where the bearings at. But that's from the factory though, this little pitting or whatever you want to call it. But it's in the metal. I tried to rub it out, it's in the metal. Had more than this on it. This from the factory. But I remember when I got them, they had this, but it had more on it because it was kind of orange looking, reddish looking, like rust. So I don't know, that could be in the metal itself when they making this metal, whatever this is made out of. I forgot what this metal is made out of, but it had a little rust on the shaft too, man. So that's one thing to look for, man. Fade back and get them in the ring, over and out. Yo, no copyright on the YouTube video. Say what up, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Getting that faded back in, man. Oh, just checking in on these big brakes, man, on the cutty, man. That's all, man. Big brakes on the cutty, man. That's how we coming all summer long. Tell them, big brakes or nothing. Son, big brakes or nothing. But, see that YouTube, 13.5 rotor, with the C5 calibers, man. I got two back in place I made. I was gonna do with 14.5, but shit, I stumbled up on these 13.5, man. Stop, son, you're gonna dull a bit. Don't do that in the concrete. I stumbled up on these 13.5s on eBay, like $75 shipped to the door. 14.5 was like, man, 150, man. Stop, son. Give it here before you dull my bit out, man.
Yeah, it's wrong.
Yeah. Sorry for the interruption, YouTube.
Yeah, it's
But well, man, made me forget my thoughts. This is what we got, YouTube. I'll fade back tomorrow and we get it all put together. We got C7 calibers on the Gbody, man.
Wow.
Waiting on my decal to come in. Just waiting on that. But I'm feeling it. You just following the build. It's torsion. I'm sorry, not a torsion. It's a true track posi, 30 spline true track. That's the best you can get, man. I'm telling you, got all worm gears in it, forged internals. You break that, you got power, man. So hopefully I won't break it. So that means hopefully I ain't got no power. So anywho, if I do break that, I go to a 9-inch, maybe with a spool in it. I have 2 rings, one for the street, one for the track, man. Oh wait, no, I do 9-inch like that. It's quicker to change out the center pumpkin in the 9-inch versus trying to swap a whole ring in, man. But anywho, that's what we got, YouTube. Just a little something, man, to show y'all we working, man. We working. Stop, son. We working. We trying to get it together. Trying to get all this together, man. Put the frame together. Got another hot track coming, y'all. Another update coming. Try to tomorrow. I gotta go. Got these kids. Sister left.
You like this.
All right, so I gotta go inside, check on the other ones. You know how that is. What we got? That's it, YouTube. Want me to get in the Uber now?